Whether you're a drip coffee purist or an espresso obsessive, your coffee maker can make or break your morning. Today we're counting down the 5 best coffee makers you can buy right now, covering everything from budget-friendly drip machines to high-end espresso setups. All the buy links are in the description below, so make sure to check those out. And if you find this useful, drop a like, share it with someone who needs a coffee upgrade, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Let's get into it. Starting at number 1, the best programmable coffee maker on the market. This drip machine checks every box. It hits a properly hot brewing temperature, has a well-designed shower head, and comes with a thermal carafe to keep your coffee hot for hours. It's also fully programmable, so you can set it up the night before and wake up to the smell of fresh coffee already brewing. What really stands out is how intuitive it is to use. You can load it up and set your brew time without ever cracking open the manual. Its sleek stainless steel body is well made and looks great in pretty much any kitchen. The only minor nitpick is that the conical brew bed is better suited for light roasts than dark ones, but honestly, that's a small trade-off for everything else it gets right. Moving on to number 2, the best affordable coffee maker you can buy. Most budget coffee makers fail one simple test: they just can't get hot enough to brew good coffee. This one is the exception, and it's good enough to be the only budget pick you really need to consider. Our trained reviewer, a sommelier with a sharp palate for subtle flavors, was genuinely impressed by how good both light and dark roasts tasted coming out of this machine. It brews at right around 200 degrees, includes an iced coffee function, and yes, it's programmable too. The trade-offs are a slightly slower brew time and a glass carafe that's more fragile than a thermal one, plus it's not going to win any beauty contests, but the coffee quality more than makes up for it. Next up at number 3, the best espresso machine we tested. This compact machine is fast, reaching ideal brewing temperature in just 3 seconds thanks to advanced heating technology. It also uses a precision temperature sensor that keeps your brew locked in at exactly 200 degrees, so there's no need to manually temperature surf like with older machines. It even pre-infuses the espresso puck with lower pressure water first, which helps pull a noticeably better shot. Despite being a favorite among espresso experts, it's still beginner-friendly and easy to use, with a steam wand offering 3 temperature and foam settings, plus a helpful alert when it's time to empty the drip tray. It's compact and reasonably priced too. The one issue is that the automatic shot measurement tends to run a little long, so for best results, you'll want to stop your shots manually. At number 4, the best espresso machine for true enthusiasts. This one is barista approved and surprisingly affordable for what it offers, especially considering it was one of the first home machines built with genuine commercial grade parts, giving it a long track record of reliable performance. The weighted portafilter and professional level steam wand give it a serious high-end feel, and every shot pulled with this machine feels noticeably powerful. It's a hands-on, tactile machine that's genuinely satisfying to use. The downside is there's no built-in temperature sensor, so you'll need to temperature surf manually before each shot, which can be a learning curve for beginners, and you can't pull a shot immediately after steaming milk since the machine needs time to cool back down. And finally, at number 5, the best fully automated espresso machine on our list. This is a luxury upgrade packed with features for anyone who wants the machine to guide them through the entire process. It comes with a built-in grinder featuring 45 settings and premium burrs, and it handles grinding, tamping, and pulling the shot all through a digital touchscreen interface. It also heats the steam wand to the perfect milk temperature, and you can even customize exactly how dense you want your foam. The main drawback is that the grinder adjustments aren't always smooth, making it tricky to dial in your exact preference, and true espresso enthusiasts who love to tinker with every variable might find this one a bit too hands-off for their taste. And that's our list of the 5 best coffee makers you can buy today. Whether you want a simple programmable drip machine or a fully automated espresso setup, there's something here for every kind of coffee drinker. All the buy links for every product mentioned are right there in the description box, so go ahead and check those out. If this video helped you find your next coffee maker, smash that like button, share it with a friend who needs one too, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.